Hello students, it's rainy season and whenever we enjoy rain, first song come in our mind is Chakadum. So today I am going to choreograph song Chakadum. So starting lyrics is घोड़े जैसी चाल हाथी जैसी धूप. So right hand is here and left hand is on left side and steps are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then 1 and 2. Okay, so start with घोड़े जैसी चाल हाथी जैसी दुम. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. कहाँ से आए तुम. Okay, again from starting 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then Chakadumdum. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 steps we have to come forward with first of all right side, then left, then right and then left. Then music will start. In that music we have to keep our hands here and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then legs movement will be the same, but hands are like opposite hands and legs. That is also 4 times this side and again 4 times this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then keep hands here and 1, 2. Okay, you can keep hands straight also, so it looks better. 1 and 2. Again left side 1 and 2. So music is over in this step. Then कोई लड़की है, so you have to show लड़की. Okay, so you are here, so you will go back. कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है. So you have to go back in such a way that 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. जब वो हंसती है. Okay, so you are here. कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है. Then Chakadumdum will come again. In first Chakadumdum we have done this. Okay, 4 step forward. But in this Chakadumdum we have to just move it. Chakadumdum, 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 Chakadumdum. So all the 4 directions, jump and twist. Okay. Now again कोई लड़की है. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. जब वो हंसती है. Now सावन आता है. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Or you can keep your hands here also. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay. So whenever this stanza will come, कोई लड़की है, in we have to do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then कोई लड़का है. So in that case, we have to move backward as well as forward. Simple walk. कोई लड़का है. In that we have to move our shoulder and walk simply. कोई लड़का है. So in कोई लड़का we move forward and backward. कोई लड़का है. जब वो गाता है. जब वो गाता है. कोई लड़का है. Like कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है. That also will come 2 times, but between chak dum dum. So again in chak dum dum, chak dum dum, chak dum dum, chak dum dum, chak dum dum. Again, कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है. Now सावन आता है. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this we have to do this. Okay, and cham 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 cham. So it is like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in last, again chak dum dum. So it will be again chak dum dum, chak dum dum, chak dum dum. And last position is this. So this is our last position. So let us do it with music. You also try to do it with me. So this is our song about rain. Practice well, perform well, stay home, stay safe. Bye.